All right, test 1 2 1 2. We're in my studio here in Austin, Texas, and I'm gonna show you guys how the Stencil VR app works. I used it for a mural this weekend, and I'm just really excited. I want to show you guys how it looks. So here is the Stencil app. We're gonna open it up. The Stencil VR is the app that I use. There's other apps available, but this is what I got. It was $10, and I really like it. So it has their own little library of images. I drew my own image, and that's what I painted because I thought that's what wouldn't be fair, right? Because you were not trying to steal images or anything like that. So here we go. Here's a cyclist that I painted. You can get it from your gallery also, or I'm your library. There he is. Now we're gonna click it, and then we're gonna impose it onto this canvas. Here we go. I'm gonna start new placement because previous placement was probably the wall that I did on Saturday. So new placement. Now here's our little menu that pops up. We're gonna move it closer to the canvas. Now we're going to place the image that I painted. This is actually a picture. I uploaded the image, but I don't know why I used the picture. Anyways, so we're gonna put it on the canvas using the right controller. This is what the controller looks like. Here we go. I'm gonna put it right there, right in the middle. Now it confirmed placement. Yes. What I was about to say, doesn't look even at the moment, but these features right here help me rotate it. So we're gonna go ahead and rotate it. So I'm gonna grab the side and I'm gonna just kind of eye it right there. I'm gonna grab this one right there, and maybe a little bit more right there. It looks pretty good to me. Okay, next. Now we're gonna scale it larger or smaller. So here it is. I'm gonna grab it with my right. And here we go, big. Let's see how big we can get it. Notice how it's not pixelated at all. Really good image, and look how big it is. Amazing. This is crazy. Anyways, I can't get over how cool this gadget is. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the canvas. I'm gonna make it pretty big. Let's do it right there. Now notice how it's kind of off of the canvas a little bit, but we get to adjust it a little bit more. So here we go. I like the scale. Next. Now with depth and position, we're gonna use the controllers, little joysticks. So let's position it. I want it a little bit lower, right there. And now I'm gonna check with my finger to see how it looks with the depth. There's the canvas. I'm using one eye at the moment. It's kind of weird. It looks like it's really far back at the moment, so I'm gonna mess with the depth. Let's push it up a little bit. That's a little bit better. Do you guys see that? It's kind of hard to see. Let me move this light up. Here we go. Now it's a little bit easier. Now it's kind of freaky at first, but your eyes get used to it. See, now that's a little bit too far up. Do you notice that? Can you see that? I almost did a hand gesture for the MetaQuest. All right, and there we go. And then you could draw and paint your beautiful mural wherever you want. We're done adjusting it. We're done with the scale, all of that. We're gonna click next. And now here's our kind of like main menu that you get to see whenever you're painting. So you can mess with the opacity. We can make it all the way up, or you could do it all the way down. And then the cool feature here is, let's do the opacity all the way up. This shading gets rid of the colors and just shows you the lines. Now this is a pretty cool feature, but you could get kind of lost, I think, because it really shows you the outline of the line, not the line itself. So see that you have to like kind of guess in the middle. But this is a really cool feature. I prefer just seeing the full image and then just putting down the opacity. This will help you the image not move. I turned it off because it's fine. Like it doesn't move that much. We're good. But that's it. This is how you use the Stencil app. This is how we use the MetaQuest 3. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thank you guys for listening. See you on the next one. Bye.